addition and subtraction exercises on my beautiful small pocket abacus. I'm not going to explain any techniques here. I'm going to do only exercises which is on your screen. Okay, so let's start. No more conversation. This is my abacus. Make 0 position. Going to use from this last rod. Okay, place 5 minus 2 minus 1 place 3 place 4, and your answer is 9. I'm using how to borrow 5 techniques here. If you want to learn in detail about how to borrow 5 techniques, you have to watch another explained episode. Please check my playlist or check my description box. Okay, so I'm not going to explain the techniques here. I'm going to do only exercises. Question number 2 is on your screen. Place 2 place 2 place 5 minus 3 and minus 4. Your answer is 2. Question number 3. Place 4 place 5 minus 5 place 2 minus 4, and your answer again 2. Question number 4. Place 3 place 2 minus 4 place 3 place 4, and your answer is 8. Question number 5. Place 1 place 4 place 2 minus 4 place 5, and your answer is 8. Question number 6. Place 5 place 3 minus 4 place 5 minus 3. Your answer is 6. Question number 7. Place 4 minus 3 place 4 minus 4 place 3, and your answer is 4. Question number 8. Place 4 place 1 minus 5 place 2 place 3, and your answer is 5. Question number 9. Place 3 place 5 minus 2 minus 4 place 3, and your answer is 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please do these exercises one more time by yourself. If you have any difficulties, please comment me through the Facebook page. You can get my links inside the description box. And keep watching, keep learning, and see you in next episode. Ta-ta!